Hi, third graders. Today you're going to be practicing cursive letter V. This letter has 2 steps. Start with your pencil here. This is step 1. This is step 2. For each letter V that you see, you are going to trace one and try one of your own. Same with the section called Write the Joinings. Trace one, try one. When it's time to write the words, you are going to do the same thing. You are going to trace one and then try one. Let's read these words together. Voice, vent, voyage, velvet, vowel, viper, flavor, heavy, hive. Remember to trace and try, then check your work and save your packet in your writing folder.